Welcome to another video tutorial with Small Business Online Coach. In this tutorial we're going to be dealing with Google local listings. Google has 60 to 70% of the local search in the search market, and they also allow you to add photos, videos, and coupons in addition to all their regular stuff, and they do this for free, which basically none of the other free local listings with live.com and Yahoo don't really let you do this. Now, that's not totally true. MSN Live will let you do the photos, and Yahoo will let you do these things, but you have to pay more for it. I believe you have to do a enhanced for $10 a month, or it's $25 a month for like a full website. You can also confirm by phone with Google or text messaging, where you can't do that with the other two. You have to do snail mail. Google also allows you to do snail mail too, to do your confirmation of your link, but it can be almost instantaneous, which is very, very cool. Google is obviously well ahead of the curve. One of the local listings you definitely cannot miss getting up on, especially since they have 60 to 70% of the search market. It's definitely a place you want to be. So if you just go to Google and type in Google search, what you'll see come up is probably something that looks like this, and what you're looking for is this here, Google/local/ad. It actually goes into a much longer URL than that, and it's much too long to just write on this page. So it's easier if you just go Google local in the search and then look for google.com/local/ad. You'll come to this page, and you'll notice here that if you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to go in and create one. If you do have one, just enter it here and sign in. Also, if you don't speak English as first language, go ahead and change to the language that you want. This is what you're going to come to right away, is the first page, so you can list your country. Now, just like the other videos I'd mentioned, you want to put in your keyword, your major keywords in here underneath your company name, not your actual company name, unless your company name has the keywords that you want, because this is going to end up being your title tag, and it'll be better for search engine optimization by putting in what it is most people aren't going to type in your company name unless you're like Gap or Gucci or some major household name. If you are, I've said this before, if you're a massage therapist, then you want to put massage therapy. If you're a plumber, well, you want to put plumbing, not something else along those lines. You get the point. Same thing down here in your description. Make sure a couple of your keywords or other secondary keywords are in your description. It's going to come up here. It's going to ask you, hey, are you any of these businesses? In this case for me, no, I was not. So add my listing. I'm going to check there. You're going to choose your categories next. Then you get to choose your hours that you're open. You get to tell them exactly what kind of payments you accept. You go in and add your logo or add some photos up there, up to 10 images. So go ahead and add that. If you have any videos, add the videos, and if you don't, I highly suggest that you get into some video marketing, whether it's a demo of products you carry or anything at all. Just even if you have to grab your cell phone, it's worthwhile just making a little video of something. If you have something a little nicer, most cameras, even like photography cameras, have like video where you can do at least a minute clip, and you can pretty much edit everything at home. Even on Microsoft Movie Maker, you can edit, and that usually comes free with most PC computers. We'll get into some video marketing lessons in some other videos. Then you'll come in here, and I like to use this. This is where it says, the example, you go parking and then yes. So parking, yes, is something. But then I like to do something along this. It's like services. And then I like to start using my keywords. I know this is not exactly the way you're supposed to use this, but I like to do this because I find it works a little bit better for the SEO. So if people are searching for a particular keyword and nobody else has it in there, I just like to do that. And then here's the amazing thing. You can go by phone, text, or you can just send it through snail mail if you want. I mean, I recommend just doing it by phone. So you're going to select phone, click this, it's going to give you a code, and then it's going to dial your phone right then, and basically you're going to listen to Google say enter the 4-digit code. You'll enter it, hit pound, and it's going to say you've been accepted, and your listing is going to go live in just like moments, like just minutes. Google's really amazing that way. If you decide to go by snail mail, this is what you'll see by snail mail, and it usually comes, from my experience, 5 to 7 business days later, and it'll basically have the same thing. You'll be able to log on, enter your 4-digit code, and then it'll go live. So that's how you put yourself a free online local listing on Google. I highly recommend that you take just a few minutes. You can see how fast it is to do that, especially since these listings are showing up in the organic results on page 1 at the top of the page. It doesn't get any better than that. Thank you for tuning in for another video on our YouTube channel at Small Biz Online Coach. If you enjoyed the video you just watched, feel free to come on over and check out other videos we have on our channel, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, or come on over and visit our website at Small Business Online Coach. We would really appreciate if you got involved in the conversation and got yourself signed in and made some comments down here. Tell us what you liked, what you didn't like, and what else you want to know. As the saying goes, the squeaky wheel gets the oil. And of course, come on over and rate us, send us to your favorite bookmarking site or your favorite social content site, and you can get some more options if you just hit this button here, and it'll give you tons of stuff. You can also take all this link and post on your website or blog if you liked it that much too. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to bringing you many more. Bye for now.